I got to tell you these ones.
He's at someone's the gunner, the driver.
Yes, so I'll send them to you by Dick.
If there's any issue, I'll go. Okay. Yeah, we.
Target. Shoot. You're too high. Low. Alright. There you go. Keep shooting. Lower, lower.
If they hard arm, they do weapons training. It's not something people do.
Keep going, keep going. Find fire team. Oh! Let off those last few. Alright, unlock.
Ride the boat home.
Get a picture of me?
Leave it up, leave it up.
Yeah.
Good job.
You want a video? I don't care.
I might have to go. You might have to get someone else.
There you go. Sink. There you go. Engage.
Sergeant.
Make sure CD is not here.
Hand up forward.
Just pop it up. Keep it open.
There you go.
Good, Doc. Good job. No.
Look at run. Oh, yeah.
Left hand.
Put on fire.
Fire.
Yeah.
Let me put these safety goggles on.
Damn, tight.
You on safety? Fire. Alright.
It fell off.
Alright, you're good.
It fell off.
Alright.
Let me go. You see that again?
That's why they out here.
Just push it in there. No, hey. You push it all the way in, and then pull it back. Hit that damn target. Almost. Good job, Rainey. Rainey! Good job, Rainey. Do it again.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
on.
Hey.
What?
Can you do it 2 times in a row? Magazine is your pistol grip.
Too low. Too close to the one on the right.
Put that weapon in your shoulder.
This Marine has no brass, man. I already checked those two. And the mission. That's cool.
I ran up and passed on the way in? That's true. Most of us, right?
I would go legs outside. That's just. How do you load your rounds?
Clear! Right here, on the preacher.
Grass links to the sky.
Grass links to the sky.
Yep.
Grass links to the sky. Close it.
Yep.
Pretty sure you keep it on safe. Close the top. Put the weapon back on safe. Let it stays on safe.
Yep.
Right back again. Full load, gun up.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Muster at the assembly area for accountability. So in case something were to happen, we're going to muster right over there at that shed, understand?
Yeah.
For condition codes, then I'll have you guys do a functions check, then I'll run you guys through immediate actions and then remedial action.
Up in there, close the tray.
And then if you shot 150 rounds in 2 minutes or less.
150 rounds.
Make sure it's on the extractor. Pull the top cover.
Barrel change!
Go up a
A little more. Up. Good. A little back. Back up.
Pull forward. That screen, gun up.
Gun up!
Alright, switch. Up a little more.
He hit it. Misfire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. Go.
Flip your can around. Let it go.
Half load! Full load!
You're holding shoulder pressure, you're shooting high, you need to go down. You're going up.
Hey! Hard to walk
Is
you
it
on.
to the left of?
To the right. So 56 to 2 fingers to
Alright, go left 5.
There you go.
There you go.
You're
You're
heading.
Go.
Hey, good impacts. Hold right there. Hold right there. Send it.
Wait.
5 seconds. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 3, 4. Take it.